Hey YouTube, it's Daddy Crab again. And my neighbor has some Amish people doing a add-on to their house. They're getting with it. They've only been on it about a week. If you can see the lower part, that part was already existing. Right where the two lower windows are on the left side, that part was already existing. They're just building on top of it. So yeah, they do some good work. Little cool this morning in West Virginia. It was about 30 degrees this morning. It's warming up real nice. It's in the mid 50s, almost 60 right now. So I love the sound of hammers and saws. I think they're really going to like that extension on there. The upstairs. I'm not sure how they have it situated inside the house, but I imagine they have a little staircase going up from the lower room to get up top. Beautiful day, beautiful day. I have a neighbor stud horse that lives across the road. I think he belongs to the Amish people. I'm not sure where he is right now, but he hangs out by the road. And one of the rules of thumb with a stud horse is you got to separate them from the mares, and they get frustrated because they want to be with the girls. But I'll make a video of him in the next day or two. They're gonna have that thing all covered up by the next hour or so. So that's all. Just a little something different, I hope. Y'all enjoy. Take care. Give this video a like if you like it. And share it around. Thank you very much. Daddy Crab is out.